Experts worried about FDA's approval of convalescent plasma therapy. On August 23, 2020, the US FDA granted emergency use authorization to the convalescent plasma therapy. With EUA, this investigational therapy becomes a treatment for in-hospital COVID-19 patients. The agency issued its decision memorandum in which the therapy is deemed possibly effective against the disease. The same memorandum outlines that known and potential risks may be outweighed by known and potential benefits. Dr. Stephen Hahn, FDA Commissioner, said, "I am committed to releasing safe and potentially helpful treatments for COVID-19 as quickly as possible in order to save lives. We're encouraged by the early promising data that we've seen about convalescent plasma." Reviewed data showed that convalescent plasma may be effective in reducing the severity of COVID-19 in certain hospitalized patients. It may also shorten the length of the disease in hospitalized patients. The therapy expressed significant death rate reduction among patients who were not intubated. It could reduce mortality by 37% in high-titer convalescent plasma in patients aged 80 years or younger. Before the EUA, several experts, including Dr. Anthony Fauci of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, warned about fast-tracking the approval. The data currently possessed by the FDA might not be sufficient. According to American News Vox, Dr. Han said that plasma therapy could increase COVID-19 survivability by 35%. The number definitely looks big, but it could be misleading as well. The percentage was derived by a retrospective preprint study yet to be peer-reviewed. Without peer review, certain flaws could be missed easily. Moreover, the study only compared patients who received the therapy early to patients who receive it later. Patients who received the therapy 4 days or more after diagnosis reflected the 7-day mortality rate of 11.9%. Patients who received the therapy 3 days after diagnosis reflected the 7-day mortality rate of 8.7%. If subtracted, receiving plasma therapy a day earlier would reduce mortality by 3.2%. While health experts are not discouraging convalescent plasma therapy, they warn about telling the public of a breakthrough. Dr. Fauci said that the study is not the issue, but the interpretation of the results, which may mislead people. If people are misled, they may insist on getting plasma therapy in case they get the disease. What most people are unaware of is that plasma therapy can cause anaphylaxis in those allergic. It can also result in a complication called acute lung injury.